Hey, what's up? My name's Zara, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out this miniature pottery. As you can see, there is a bit of clay on it, so I have had a little go, but I wanted to do it on video. I was going to do a big unboxing, but I had a peek and it's literally just this unit, so it's not exactly the most exciting. And it plugs in via USB, and the lead is quite long, so that's good. I will put a link in the description. I actually got mine off eBay and it was around £18 with free postage, so it's pretty much a good bargain if you like pottery or want to try it, I'd say. So I'm just going to plug it in. So basically it has this like knob on the side and you twist it, and when it's at max it spins really fast, and as you like dial it down it slows down and then it goes off. So it's a pretty simple concept. And the clay I'm going to be using is this. It's like air dry clay, the Das one. I got this in the works, so like a UK shop which sells books on like, I'd say budget to mid-range crafts. So I'm just going to pinch a bit. I'm going to put it on top and I'm going to try and make a little pot. And I also have a bit of water here and some clay tools which I'm gonna grab. Oh, that was the chair, not me. I hope you like my little alien helper here. He's mainly here to hide all the mess that is behind him. But basically the alien is like my favourite like side character from Toy Story. Buzz Lightyear is my favourite of all time, but I love the aliens. And I actually had a Toy Story themed birthday party last year and this was one of the items from it. So I thought I would use him to distract people from the mess, and also if you don't want to look at my face you can look at his. So I've just pressed down some clay, as you can see. Now I'm going to turn it on. I always get scared and think it's going to fly off. Okay, cool. So I've got in like a little tub of water, like a Tupperware. Just gonna turn it down for a sec. So I'm going to have a go at making a tiny pot like you see them do on Instagram and YouTube. So I've got wet fingertips. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. I don't think I'm like strong enough. Okay, I'm gonna use a tool instead. Which one should I use? So I have these, like, I think I got them in the pound shop a while ago. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to dip it in the water. Right, let's hope this doesn't fly off. Whoa, is that the max here? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay, it seems to be holding in place. I don't want it to fly off either, because if it lands on the floor, I have a cat and it's just going to get covered in cat hair, even though I hoovered earlier. But if you have a cat, you know what I'm talking about, or even a dog. Their hair gets everywhere. So right now I'm just like pushing into the bottom to make the like bottom smaller. And then I'm going to try and slowly work my way up. I don't know if you can really see this. Whoa! Okay, some just flew off. Let's slow it down and see what it looks like. Anyone want a pot? Right, I'm gonna carry on. I might just like wet this again. Just put that there. Oh yeah, let me put it to the max again actually. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's nicer using the clay tools, I'd say, than my fingers, because I feel like I'm just way too weak with my hands, or that I'm going to put too much pressure I feel like when it's spinning, it's like, it looks like it's going to be like a nice little pot, and then I slow it down and it looks like this. Okay, so let's keep going. I'm going to, I want to have like the hole in the middle. I'm just gonna push it a little bit more with this one. Okay, and now I'm going to use, which tool? I don't know, maybe that one was a good one? Let's try it. So I'm literally making this up as I go along. I've never done a pottery wheel before. No, actually that's a lie. I had one of those, you know, the kids ones when I was a kid. I remember getting it as a present, and I don't remember what happened with that. Probably wasn't very good at it because I was just a kid. Alright, so with this I'm trying to just make like the inside of the vase. I don't know if you can see this in the video, but it's like flicking bits of clay everywhere. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. It's a very, what's the word? Abstract piece, I'd say. I don't know if you're anything like me, but I always think the first time I'm going to do something it's going to turn out perfectly, and that's never the case. Okay. I swear when it's spinning it just looks so perfect. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, let's slow it down and have a look. What do you think? I think it looks quite cool. It's a bit uneven in the middle. If that can pick that up. What? All you can see is darkness. Should I keep going or start a new one? Nah, let me keep going with it. And let's see if I can make a half decent one. I'm gonna carefully pick this up. So if you can see it spinning, look how perfect it looks. You're like, wow.
Wow.
Impressive. Now that I've stopped it, this is how it actually looks. You know what though, I don't think that's that bad. So I'm not gonna lie, this is my third attempt. Here are my first two attempts. This one, I did this when I first got it, that's why there was clay all over it. And this was like my second one. So I think I've improved. Now I had a piece of wire. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. So you know when they do the pottery and you see them and they're like just pulling it off with the wire. It comes off really neatly, so that's my next aim. Come on. I don't know if this wire is any good. Oh, it's moving. Oh, cool. Okay, attempt number 3. What do you think? Does this pass as a good pot? What does the alien think? I don't know why I'm smelling it, it just smells like pottery. Or what is it? Blech, terracotta even. Anyway, this is like the air dry clay like I said, so I don't need to fire it or anything. I'm just going to leave it out to dry and then it will end up going a bit lighter like my lovely abstract pot number 1 and pot number 2. Alright, I'm gonna do one more attempt. This is what it looks like. Marks out of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave it there for now. This is actually really fun to do. Where's the wire here? I'm just gonna pull it off again. So you know what, if you're into pottery and miniatures or both, like myself, I think this is really cool to try. As I said, this was only about £18 or £19 in the UK anyway. So I'll put a link in the description. And here are all my pots. I still think this third one, you know, third time lucky, that saying? Definitely true in this case. I think this is my best one. My best ugly pot. So I'm going to leave these to dry and then I'll probably paint them. If I can be bothered. But I'm going to give this a wicked score. You know that? Wicked. Like Ali G. Wicked. So I think, let's give it a score out of 5. I think this is going to get a wicked score of 4 out of 5 for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wicked. Okay, that was 5, but you know what I mean. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you want to see more from myself and also the LGM, Little Green Man, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!